Choosing the best WordPress host for your website is a big decision, but establishing a few key factors can help you make that decision. A trusted and quality WordPress hosting provider will make your experience streamlined and help you to get where you need to be. Migrating or launching a website can be complex and tricky, and a good host will take those worries off your plate and let you focus on your business instead. For example, my site here is hosted with SiteGround. And SiteGround has the WP Starter, which makes it easy for you to launch a new WordPress website. And they also have the automatic WP Migrator, which does exactly what it sounds like, helps you make your website migration process super smooth. Remember that not all WordPress hosting options are the same. The three main players on the WordPress hosting field right now are managed WordPress hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. Managed WordPress hosting means that the host specializes in WordPress sites. All technical aspects of running the site, security, speed, updates, backups, scalability, are all handled by the host and are optimized for how WordPress works. Managed WordPress is great if you aren't focused on doing a ton of custom development, but would rather just hand your site off to the pros. You should also be aware of dedicated hosting and cloud hosting. Our friends at Liquid Web put it perfectly. Cloud hosting plans offer server resource allocation based on hardware. Dedicated server plans include a fixed allocation of isolated resources like RAM, CPU, and SSD HDD storage. The best way to choose which hosting option is best for you is to determine how involved you want to be in the maintenance and upkeep and development of your site, as well as how many resources you'll need and how scalable those resources are going to need to be. According to a study done by Kinsta, 41% of WordPress website attacks can be traced back to vulnerabilities on the hosting platform. Security features are huge when it comes to choosing the best WordPress hosting for your website. For example, SiteGround offers AI Antibot, WordPress auto updates, free SSL certificates, and a ton more. Consider what it is you need your site to do. What kind of information will your site take from visitors? What data will it store or process? Answering these questions can determine how strong your security defenses need to be. There are a handful of popular performance resources that you should look for, like superior support, performance and uptime monitoring, load speed optimizations, automatic backups, staging environments, scalable resources, etc. Consider what defines a high-performing and successful website to you. Speed? Typically first on many people's lists. But maybe you run a blog, and so you also need many high-quality images that load quickly. Maybe you draw a lot of traffic to your site all at once, and so you need the host to be able to handle that. A good host will talk to you first about what bells and whistles you need and which ones you don't. You can do a lot from the WordPress dashboard, but not everything. Make sure that you're able to update and edit the site, as well as safely delegate access through your host. You want site tools that are user-friendly, robust, but not overwhelming. Consider how often you need to edit or scale the website's resources and features. Is this a brochure site that you set up and just need access to the dashboard in order to update? Or is this a larger site, maybe an e-commerce site, that needs more attention or direct developer access? Keep in mind that when you buy WordPress hosting for your site, you're buying a product. And just like any product, you should check out the reviews before you buy. Many hosts have open and public feedback channels, like SiteGround does here on Trustpilot. Read through reviews, good and bad. Check with articles that weigh the pros and cons of different hosting companies. Robust and reliable 24/7 support should probably be included in your plan. Chat, email, live phone support are all major options, and not all of them are included in every hosting package. Now, let's talk about cost. WordPress hosting costs differ dramatically from company to company. It really all depends on the size of your site, the complexity of it, how much traffic you expect, and what features and benefits you want to receive. Generally, your average website can do just fine on a plan that costs between $5 to $20 per month. When looking for the best WordPress hosting cost for you, do your research. Look at multiple options that offer all the things that you need and maybe some extra. Did this video help solve your problem? If so, please let us know by leaving a comment, liking this video, and subscribing to this channel. We release new WordPress tutorial videos every Tuesday.